Hello, all my in-demanders. This is Laurie-Ann, and you are listening to Be in Demand, where I teach coaches, consultants, and service providers how to leverage speaking opportunities to grow their business. This is a Q&A episode where I answer one of your questions and more on how you can submit a question for a future episode at the end. Today's question comes to us from a health coach. She says, my topic and story can be shared with any industry, and it'll benefit anyone. It's health related. I hear that I should niche down. What are your thoughts since everyone needs better health or will be unhealthy later? And how would you recommend that I niche down? Well, thank you. This is a great question and a common question because a lot of people don't want to niche down because they know that they can help so many people. But by niching down, you can get known in a very specific industry. So think about it this way. I'm going to use a hiking analogy. You want to climb to the top of a mountain. And a mountain is like, here's your niche. It could be postpartum women. It could be those that just want to lose the freshman 15, those with IBS. By being able to niche it down into a very specific industry. And so here comes the mountain analogy. You are climbing up the postpartum mountain. And it's when you get to the top of that postpartum mountain that other people that are on the tops of other mountains, not necessarily speakers, but they are people that are in that industry, they can see you. Because you will be focusing your attention and all your efforts on this particular industry. And from there, those people that you're helping are actually going to talk about you. And yes, you're going to have people that are but I'm just trying to lose the freshman 15, or I only have my last 10 pounds to lose. You're going to have people that are in your niche who's like, geez, I don't know if she can help you, but I know that this is what she did for me. You should reach out to her. And the same thing's going to happen about speaking. You're going to get known for helping people in a very particular area, and people are going to talk. Meeting planners are going to talk. So let's just take the meeting planner who is talking with their other meeting planner and conference organizer friends. And we just had this great speaker come in and talk on a health related, it was a women's conference and she was speaking about postpartum. And I'm using this all as examples. And you're going to have these other meeting planners who are like, really? I have a women's conference is coming up, but this is kind of like an older crowd. I wonder if there's a topic that she could come in and speak in our niche. Or there's going to be another meeting planner that's at the same table. And they might say, I have a sales meeting that I'm planning right now for the wireless phone industry. I wonder if we could get her to come in and talk to salespeople. So you see what I'm saying? By focusing in on one niche, it will actually open you up to different niches, different industries as you move along. So how would I recommend that you do this? Who do you love helping? Now, if you're just starting out, I kind of view this as dating. You are helping somebody and then trying to figure out, do I enjoy this person? Do I enjoy this type of person? Because if not, then let's move on and let's move over to another type of client, another niche. So in the health industry, there are so many, I don't even know what kind of a health coach you are or what your health topic is. I'm making some assumptions. But there are so many different health topics that you are probably speaking on or that are available out there. But I want you to figure out, who do I love to work with? Make a list of 5 different niches, 5 different types of people that you enjoy working with, and just have fun. Focus on one. Do that for a few months and then evaluate the situation. Do I really enjoy this that I could see doing this for another 6 months, another year, another 2 years? But if you're like, I don't know, my energy's just not into it, let's move on to the next one. Just keep moving on until you find the right group of people that you enjoy speaking with, that you enjoy helping. Because what I know is that when you enjoy exactly what you do, it is going to come out when you are a speaker. Your audience is going to feel your love, your passion, your energy for your topic. I hope that helps you in this particular situation. I would love to know what you end up niching down on when you figure that out, but feel free to DM me and let me know. Here are the top 5 that I'm going to be trying or dating until I figure it out, and then climb to the top of that mountain. Do you have a question about the speaking world? Where to find the right audiences filled with your ideal clients, or how to monetize speaking for your business? You can submit your question at speakandstandout.com/contact, and you might hear your question on a future episode. Are you ready to leverage speaking as your best form of marketing? There are over 7,500 events looking for speakers every single day. Speaking positions you as the expert in the room, but you probably don't know where to start. So I created this great resource called the Directory of Places to Speak. This resource will help you get started today. So head on over to speakandstandout.com/directory to grab your free copy now. Don't miss this opportunity to be the expert speaking to audiences filled with your ideal clients.